Myself Naveen Kumar Chaudhary. Today I want to discuss about the nutrition in plants of class 7 subject science. It is the first chapter of this subject. My dear students, you know all living organisms need to perform certain basic life processes like nutrition, respiration, growth and reproduction for their survival. How it will be performed? To perform all life processes, every organism requires a daily supply of energy, and that energy get by the living organisms through the food, and food contains different items like rice, pulses. It means carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins, fat, minerals. Now we know about the proteins, carbohydrates, fats, vitamins and minerals. They all are required to our body, and these are collectively known as the nutrients. The nutrients enable living organisms to build their bodies, grow, repair damaged parts of their bodies and provide energy to carry out life processes. If we don't take our proper food items, that is also called the balanced diet, then we cannot survive and we are not able to do our work properly. So what is the nutrition? The nutrition is the process of taking food by an organism and its digestion, absorption and utilization by the body. Like this, plants also need nutrients to survive. In this chapter, we will study about nutrition in plants. There are two types of nutrition, and there are two modes of nutrition in plants. Number one is the autotrophs and another is the heterotrophs. Autotrophic mode of nutrition, the word autotrophic nutrition, autotrophic is the combination of two words. The word auto means self and trophs means nutrition. Thus, autotrophic means self-nutrition. In this mode, the nutrition in an organism makes its own food from simple substances like carbon dioxide, water and minerals present in the surroundings, and it is called the autotrophic nutrition. The organism having autotrophic nutrition, mode of nutrition, are called the autotrophs. All the green plants and some bacteria prepare their own food by autotrophic mode of nutrition. Thus, they are called the autotrophs. And another is the heterotrophic mode of nutrition. In this word, heterotrophs, hetero means other and trophs means nutrition. heterotrophic nutrition obtained from others. This mode of nutrition in which an organism cannot make their own food but it obtains ready-made food made by the green plants directly or indirectly, and they are called, that kind of organisms are called the heterotrophs. This type of organism never try to make their own food. Animals and non-green plants have heterotrophic mode of nutrition and are called the heterotrophs. All green plants make their food by the photosynthesis. The green plants are autotrophs and make their own food by the process of photosynthesis. How it make their own food? The term photosynthesis was given by the Charles Read Barnes in 1893. Photo means light and synthesis means to build. It means building up by light. The leaves of a plant are green because they contain teeny green colored bodies called the chloroplasts, which obtain a green pigment called chlorophyll. The chlorophyll uses the solar energy, means sunlight, to prepare food from carbon dioxide and water. The food prepared by the green leaves of a plant is in the form of simple carbohydrates, or that is called the glucose. We also require glucose, and the green plants also require glucose. This glucose synthesized in the leaves of is then transported to the different parts of the plant at sucrose by the phloem. The extra glucose is changed into a complex carbohydrate, or that is called the starch, or this starch is stored in the leaves and other parts of the plants. And water, the requirement of photosynthesis. Each and every green plants for photosynthesis are, the materials are required for the photosynthesis are the water and minerals, carbon dioxide, chlorophyll, and sunlight. The process by which green plants make their own food, yani glucose, from carbon dioxide and water by using solar energy in the presence of chlorophyll is called the photosynthesis. And oxygen gas is released during the photosynthesis. We can understand this by an equation. It means carbon dioxide from air, 6 CO2, plus water from the soil, and 6 H2O, in the presence of sunlight, and chlorophyll use the sunlight, it make the glucose. The chemical formula is C6H12 and O6 plus 6 O2. It means at the time of photosynthesis, all green plants release oxygens, or that oxygen is required for every living animals. That's all for today.